In this video, I will be showing you how to earn money online by using Google Translator for completely free. The method that we will be using in this strategy is very easy and simple. You don't need any skills or prior experiences. This is a 100% free method. To learn this way, you don't need to invest anything or make any monetary advances. And this procedure can be replicated anywhere in the world. You can copy your method in today's video no matter where you're from. In today's strategy, you can earn $50 to $100 by translating one file using Google Translate. You can earn $250 to $500 if you translate 5 files. This procedure can be used over and over again. Make sure you stay until the very end of the video because I'll walk you through the entire process to ensure you don't make any mistakes. For you to follow the proper procedures and earn in the same manner as we do, it's possible to do it on your phone, laptop, or even computer. However, ensure that you have access to the internet. Also, you can access Google Translate. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The first step that you will be doing is go to latium.org. Before we go any further, I'd like to go over how to correctly sign up, how this website works, and of course, what steps you'll need to take in order to make money this way. This website, as you can see, has a lot of revenue potential. Anyone can make money because there are numerous opportunities and alternatives. This website will compensate you thousands of dollars. This is a substantial sum of money. As I previously stated, all of the jobs listed are available all around the world. The first thing you'll do on this website is look for a project to work on. Browse the available projects on the Latium platform and submit a bid. Or simply select an instant hire project to start working immediately. The next step is complete the project. Complete the project to the employer's specification and submit your work through the Latium contract management system. The last step, which is the most weighted one, is getting paid. Once your work has been reviewed and approved, payment will be released immediately to your Latium wallet. Now, I already taught you how this website works. It's time to show you how to properly sign up. Once you're at the homepage of this platform, I want you to click on I want to work, and it will redirect you to this platform wherein you will be entering your email. Check the CAPTCHA right here and click on sign up. Doing this will pop up thank you for registering. Please check your email and verify your address. We have sent a verification email containing a code. Please visit your inbox, then click the link inside. Just go immediately to your email and look for their message. The email that they are sending looks like this. All you need to do is click on confirm email right here. Once you log into your brand new account, just go to explore projects. You'll be able to see all the many career and opportunities available to you if you do so. With all of this, we know that there are a lot of projects to select from. And most of you might not have experience or even knowledge in this job right here. All we need to do is to proceed and work as a translator. On the left portion of the site, just look at translation and languages. Just simply do a click on that. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. After doing a simple left click on transition and languages, you will see here all the jobs relating to translation. As you notice, the jobs right here will allow paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars per project. It's literally an insane amount of money. You can earn that money by just translating. The translation that you will be doing is English to Latin, Spanish to English, and so on. These employers will be giving you articles to translate. Now, I will be going to teach you how to translate. This is an example of a Spanish article that you will be possibly receiving. You can see how much money you'll make doing this job over here. You might be perplexed as to how to complete this task without any prior knowledge of the Spanish language. This is where Google Translate comes into play. You'll get as much done as possible with this platform. Simply go to google.com and type Google Translator into the search bar above. Then press the search button. You will be forwarded to this page if you do so. As you can see, you can type whatever you wish and it will be translated. Go a little lower and click this one. Now you will have a much bigger working space to translate the article. What you're gonna do in this is simply copy the article given to you and then paste it here, and Google Translate will automatically detect the language. In my case, Google Translate detects the Spanish language right here, which is correct. And on the other box right here, it will be translated to English. You can do this translation completely free, which is very cool. Now, just copy the translated version, open up a brand new Google document file, and paste the translated article right here. And boom! Just keep on repeating the process until you will be able to translate the whole article. Just take note of this. Google Translate has a maximum number of characters, which is 5,000. You can do the translation in just a single copy and paste. You will do it per paragraph or sentence. You can repeat this strategy as long as you want to. It means that you can earn a lot of money right here. But there's a trick. You can completely upload the document by clicking this one right here. Browse your computer and choose the document that you need to be translated. And boom, the whole document will be translated. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.